Okay, guys, so I was needing a new water sprinkler for my beautiful plants, my banana plants. So, as you know, I get my cleaning supplies from Dollar Tree. I'm not ashamed to say. We're living in a different time now, guys, so we got to make sure that we are still on a budget. We don't know what tomorrow may bring, so we got to stay on our budget. So, I was in Dollar Tree and I actually saw I wouldn't even I wasn't even looking for a water sprinkler. Anytime I'm not looking for something, I actually see something that I actually need. So I was in Dollar Tree and I actually saw a water sprinkler in Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and got it. You know, it's kind of cheap quality, but I'm just interested just to see if it works or not. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try it out, guys. But this is it right here, guys. This is it. It's from Garden Garden Collection. 3-arm revolving sprinkler. Alright, so that's basically it right here. So like I said, it's not the best quality. It's not the best quality, but we're gonna see if it works. You know, even if it works for a little while, maybe just it's probably good enough for like one season. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see if this Dollar Tree sprinkler, we're gonna see if it actually works. Okay. All right, guys, I'm about to turn the water on. We're gonna see if the sprinkler actually works. I'm gonna can you guys see it. I don't want to get you guys wet, so that's kind of why I got it kind of far away from you guys, because I don't want to get you guys wet. So let's turn on the water. Okay. Hey guys, it works. Check it out. I don't want to get you guys too close, but as you can see, it works. And if I turn on the water a little bit higher, it'll actually go a little bit higher. So this Dollar Tree water sprinkler, it actually works, guys. And it actually works pretty good. It's not making a lot of clacking sounds or anything like that. So what I'll do is I'll reposition it so it can kind of get the whole entire grass instead of getting all of these bricks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and reposition it. So I actually repositioned it. I turned it on a little bit stronger and it's spinning faster, if you guys can see it. But it's got some good height on it. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video of this right here. I got this water sprinkler from Dollar Tree. So if you guys are in the market for a new water sprinkler, I think this would be a good economic and budget friendly hack that you can get from Dollar Tree. And the price of it was $3.16. Yeah, I think it was like $3.16. Guys, it was not much at all. So as you can see, it's wetting up my pretty bananas. Wetting them up real good. So yeah, it works pretty good, guys. And right now, I don't know if it actually feel like it's getting a little bit closer to me. So it's actually coming all the way out here, guys, and it's way over here. It's way over there, guys. So yeah, it's got some good length on it. So that's pretty nice, y'all. So if you are in the market for a new sprinkler, you can find this one at Dollar Tree. If you guys are in the market for a new water sprinkler, this is a good option right here, guys. So like I said, this is Joe of All Trades, and we're signing out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like. Make sure you share. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this water sprinkler. All right, guys. See you next time.